Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyber Smart Kids. I'm very happy to see you again. In our previous classes, we learned about AI, online safety, passwords, phishing, safe downloads, and privacy. Today we are starting something very exciting. From today, we will begin learning coding for kids. Today's topic is what is coding? Do not worry, coding is not scary. Coding is not only for big people, it's not only for computer experts. Coding is simply a way to give instructions to a computer. Just like we give instructions to a friend, a robot, or a toy. Today we will learn what coding means and why it's useful. Kids, coding means giving instructions to a computer. A computer needs clear steps. For example, if I say to a computer, make a game, the computer may not understand. But if I give step-by-step instructions like show a player, add a coin, give 1 point, now the computer can follow. That is coding. Coding is how we tell computers, apps, games, robots, and websites what to do. Let us understand coding with a simple example. Imagine you want to make a sandwich. You need steps. Step 1, bread. Step 2, butter. Step 3, cheese. Step 4, vegetables. Step 5, put the bread on top. If you do the steps in the correct order, you get a sandwich. Coding is also like this. A computer follows steps. Now let us see where coding is used. Coding is in apps, websites, video games, robots, cars, and even watches. So coding is not just a subject. Coding is a super skill. It helps us create things with technology. Why should kids learn coding? Coding teaches problem solving. That means fixing problems step by step. Coding teaches logical thinking, creativity, and patience. When you create something yourself, you feel proud. Sometimes code does not work. You try again, fix it, and learn. Your brain becomes stronger. A coder is a learner. Kids, here is something important. Computers are fast, but they are not magical. They need clear instructions. If you tell a human, please clean the room, they understand. But a computer needs exact steps. For example, move forward, pick up the toy, put the toy in the box. These are clear instructions. Now it is activity time. Imagine I am a robot. You are the coder. Give me instructions to pick up a pencil. Step 1, move forward. Step 2, stop. Step 3, move hand. Step 4, hold. Step 5, lift. This is coding thinking. Now let us learn one more word, program. A program is a set of instructions given to a computer. A game is a program. A calculator is a program. When coders write instructions, they create a program. Humans speak English or Hindi. Computers speak programming languages. Some popular ones are Scratch and Python. For kids, Scratch is a very good start. It uses colorful blocks. You drag and drop them to make games. Python is also popular. It uses text instructions like print hello. We will learn slowly, step by step. Let us imagine a game with a cat and an apple. The cat needs to catch it. Someone wrote code to make that work. Mistakes are normal. Fixing them is called debugging. All coders make mistakes. It helps you grow. To be good at coding, think step by step. Break big problems into small parts. That is coding thinking. Safety is important. Use safe sites with permission. Do not share your real name or address. Be a safe learner. Now it is quiz time. Question 1. What is coding? Answer: giving instructions to a computer. Great job. Your homework? Create a small list of steps for a task, like brushing your teeth. This is your first algorithm. Great job everyone. You learned that coding is a super skill. One small step every day can make you a great coder. Thank you for joining day 12. See you in the next class. Bye-bye and keep coding safely.